Today we got a video from BLN Safety, and the title of the video is Dog Beater Gets Caught in the Act. Now, come on, man. Now, that's crazy. Man. See, these people that like animals, man, they can't be, not everybody is meant to have a pet. I'll just put it like that.
Hey, come here.
No, bro. No, come over here.
Lori, come over here. Theron.
Oh, they coming in hot.
Stop.
Come over here.
Oh, doggy.
Put the dog down. Put the dog down. Put it down.
Put him down.
Give me your hand.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back and stop resisting now. Stop resisting now.
Stop
Ooh.
resisting.
I'm not
Do you hear me?
resisting.
You hear me? Stop
What
it.
are you guys doing?
We're done. You're under arrest, okay? We're done fighting.
For what?
You hear me? We're
What did I
done.
do?
You're done.
Man,
Stop resisting.
what are you guys doing? I ain't do shit.
We're good, Joe.
Hold on. Let me call up somebody, man.
Let's go in there.
Roll up.
We told you stop resisting, didn't
I'm
we?
not resisting, bro.
You are.
There you go.
Tony, we're 10-4.
I don't know if we came across.
Come on, man.
Stop.
Let me call somebody.
No.
No, he's trying to.
You got anything on you, man?
No. What are you guys over here?
All over?
Come on, dog.
Over?
I'm not. I don't got shit on me, bro.
Put your feet up. Hands up.
Are you done now?
Man, this way. I need to make a call.
No.
You
Stop.
Here.
For what?
You can put him on my spot.
Is anybody in the house with you?
No.
Other side?
Yeah, other side.
I'm gonna go check it real quick.
I don't have shit on me, bro.
I don't know.
We got to check, bro.
I need to make a quick call.
You get down.
Have a seat.
Get in.
Have a seat.
What did I do?
Have a seat. Face your head that way.
That dog is badly hurt.
Yeah, you couldn't get a chance, so we'll get him.
That's just sad. That's sad. That's unfortunate. Honestly. I watch a lot of pet videos. Like watch, let me show you. Ooh, see, let me refresh this. Like, let's see. So, let me show you something. So, if you don't know about YouTube, right? So, when you're on the computer, the things that you watch the most, you'll see like little categories up top here where it says all. All news, podcasts, John Cena, whatever, right? So now you kind of get an idea of the types of things that I actually watch, right? But look here, we see news, podcast, John Cena, right? So that tells you, okay, this guy may be interested in WWE, right? Whatever, right? Which I am. But we got law enforcement here, right? I watch a lot of body cam type stuff, right? Music, NBA. I love basketball, right? But here we go. Animal rescue groups. And then we could go further down here where it says zoos, right? So animal rescue groups. You click on this, you're going to see a lot of like dogs and stuff like that, whatever, right? Because I watch these types of things, right? I love pets. I don't have a pet, but I do love pets, right? And when you watch these videos, you see that animals are being abused a lot. You know, there's a lot of people that get dogs and they want them for just certain like breeding and or like maybe dog fighting or anything like that, and then they just abuse them once they're done using them for whatever they could use them for, and then they just kick them to the curb, kick them to the streets, or abuse them while they're in their custodies and stuff like that. And it's just so sad, because dogs don't deserve that. Any pet does not deserve that. They deserve to be in a loving home, someone that cares about them. Like, just because you're a breeder doesn't mean that you love your dog, or it doesn't mean that you don't love your dogs, right? But there's certain bad breeders, right? And there's certain pet owners that are just bad, and they feel like they might want to like hurt people, and so they start off by hurting animals and start off stuff like that. Like there's a lot of times you'll see like potential like serial killers or things like that, whatever, mass murderers or whatever. They start off hurting animals like squirrels and cats and different things like that. You'd be like, because they test out their skills on animals, and it's just a sad situation, man. This was just a very short video. So another thing you don't know is I ain't even gonna say that part, but yeah, man, I think the officers did a pretty good job. I wish we could get more backstory from BLN safety or whatever. Like, I wish we had more of a backstory of like what actually was going on or what was in the police report. You know what I'm saying? Like who called, stuff like that. Cause it seems like that was at his house. So was it a neighbor that called, or did someone see him abusing the animal, or whatever the case may be? I wish we had those types of that type of information, but since we ain't got it, it is what it is, man. But I had to get this video to 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you a YouTuber, then you feel me? If you know. But yeah, anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. They should have got them together a little bit more, man. Should have, but it is what it is. Let me, so I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.